Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NC Rizal Properties. Okay. Napakita ko muna yung garahe. So, good for 3 cars yan, yung ating parking space. Okay. Yan. So, dyan yung magiging lanay area. Okay. Papunta doon sa may landscape or kung pwede yung gusto nyo pagawa swimming pool, pwede naman. And dyan sa gilid, magkakaroon din dyan garden area. Okay. So, visualize nyo lang muna. Imagine nyo lang muna, no? Gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kasi maganda po yung space nito. And naka-double height ceiling ito dito sa ating living area. Okay, so ito yung space ng ground floor. Living area natin, again, naka-double height ceiling yan. Location natin, Lower Antipolo. Okay, Lower Antipolo, malapit kayo sa Centro Mall, malapit sa may SM Masinag, LRT going to Recto. So, doon yung kitchen area, then dito yung magiging dining area natin. Yan, yung pansin nyo, may mga sliding door. Right, then may access. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa may landscape. Then dito yung magiging secondary kitchen. Okay, or dirty kitchen. Ito, may bedroom dito. So, depende sa needs nyo, no? Pero pwede siyang maging guest room kasi may sarili siya naman siyang toilet and bath. Okay? So, dito, may service area. Pwede nyo gawing laundry area din. Pero mamaya sa mid's quarter, makikita nyo may laundry area. So, ito, naka-landscape yan. Pero kung gusto nyo ipagawa ng swimming pool, pwede naman. Pero medyo, merong pong additional cost. Okay, so idadagdag po yun sa selling price. So yung selling price natin 26 million, right? Again, 26 million. Kung palalagay nyo ng pool, plus 2 million po tayo dyan. So magiging 28 million. Right? So yun naging usapan namin nung seller. Okay? Seller's price yan, seller's price. So yun yung ground floor. Then meron tayo ditong isang powder room. Okay? For visitors. Para sa visitors lang yan. Kasi yung isang bedroom kanina doon, may sarili naman siyang toilet and bath. Okay? So, okay tayo sa second floor. Second floor natin, wala pang flooring yung 2 bedrooms. Yeah. Yun dito, di ba naka-double height ceiling? Okay. So, may harang yan, syempre, na glass. Right? Ayan, yung ground floor natin kanina. So, first bedroom, pasukin natin. Mapapansin nyo, maganda naman yung size ng Ayan, wala pong flooring pero SPC flooring po yung gamit natin dyan. Okay. So, lahat ng bedrooms, may kanya-kanyang toilet and bath. Even yung ating guest room sa baba kanina, dito sa second floor, 3 bedrooms, including the master's bedroom, may kanya-kanyang toilet and bath yan. And mamaya sa third floor, makikita nyo, meron tayong malaking bedrooms doon na pwede nyo gawing entertainment area. And yung isa, even yung ating maid's quarter, may private bathroom. Okay, so ito ay second bedroom. Mas malaki to kaysa doon sa first bedroom. Pero, yan. Same. May toilet and bath na rin. And yung ating master's bedroom, ito, papasukin natin. Ayan. Laki ng space niyan, talaga. Ayan, sa master's bedroom. And meron siyang walk-in closet plus toilet and bath. Okay? So, ito. Check natin yung space. Space check. Space check. Ayan. May space, diba? Okay, so ito yung magiging walk-in closet nyo. And yung ating toilet and bath. Ayan, laki diba? Walk-in closet, tsaka toilet and bath. Actually, walk-in closet, malaki. Okay, at tsaka yung space nitong ating master's bedroom. Ayan, oh. Then, yung sliding window na yan, meron na ring screen. May screen na rin po. So, tara. Akit tayong third floor. Nabanggit ko na ba? Lot area natin, 230 square meter. 230. Pwede na ba? Okay, so pasukin natin. Una, itong ating master maids quarter, okay? So maids quarter, ayan, may sariling toilet and bath and meron siyang service area. Okay? So ito yung service area niya. Laundry area, ayan. Kaya nilagyan dyan kasi yung isang bedroom mamaya na papasukin ko, para hindi na mahirapan yung yung kasambahay, diba? Kung sakali ginawa yung entertainment area, dyan na lang siya. Kung imamap niya or kung ano, diba? Kung ano magagawin niya, doon na lang siya kung may kailangang basa-basain. Ayan. So ito yung sabi ko, pwedeng another master bedroom, diba? So may sariling toilet and bath. Pero kung hindi nyo naman kailangan, pwede nyo gawing entertainment area or gym or actually, pwede nyo gawing another 2 bedrooms yan eh. Diba? Laki niya, no? Then, merong balcony. Yan. So, magkakaroon ng glass yan, syempre. Hindi naman naka-open yan. Okay? So, that's it. Again, my name is Vin of NCRSL Properties. Thank you for watching po.